Welcome to the Crystal Healing Diploma, presented by Dr. Gaynor Duperez of the Sunshine Academy of Metaphysics. We're going to begin with Lesson 1, Introduction. So, crystals have been used and revered since the dawn of civilization. Crystals can be used to augment energy healing. Each crystal or stone has specialized gifts for us, drawing in and radiating a healing energy specific to each stone. It's important to remember to never attempt to use crystals for negative purposes. The therapeutic use of crystals is not a new or alternative healing method, but is thousands of years old. Evidence that gemstones were used to heal disease can be found from the most ancient civilizations: ancient Egypt, Sumeria, Atlantis, China, and even the Native Americans and Mayans. Now, crystals are mentioned in the Christian Bible at least 200 times. There are strict instructions about the crystals to be used on the breastplate that God had instructed Moses to produce for Aaron the priest. Various books on the therapeutic uses of gemstones were written as far back as the 12th century. Now, when selecting your crystals, always trust your intuition. Handle several crystals and allow yourself to be drawn to one. So close your hands around the crystal and see if your hands tingle. Also hold it to your heart chakra and see if you feel anything. Or you can stand in front of a group of crystals, close your eyes, open them again, and pick the first crystal that you see or that your eyes are drawn to.